Welcome to Wake County Public Schools ASCA National Model. Today we will discuss the school counseling program's mission and vision statements. It is easy to think that vision and mission statements are written and forgotten and thus are a waste of time unless you've worked with an organization that lacks vision and mission. Without a central focus guiding our work, it is easy to be pulled away from our ultimate purpose. In a challenging but rewarding career, it is essential to have a belief system about the purpose of your work. Our beliefs drive our behaviors. An open and honest dialogue about your beliefs is essential to build the foundation of your school counseling program. If you work solo in a building, consider collaborating with other student support services staff or counselors from a nearby building to take part in a reflective conversation about beliefs. Discussion of beliefs is a serious topic. Set ground rules for your discussion. Ask counselors to make a list of their own beliefs ahead of time and create a process for sharing. The more you are able to create a safe environment for discussion, the more your beliefs will truly match those of your department. ASCA includes guiding questions on page 10 of the National Model Implementation Manual. You can use these as a starting point. What do we believe about the ability of students to achieve? What do we believe about support systems that students need to be successful? How do we address or want to address the developmental needs of all students? It might seem like all school counselors would align, but this may not be the case. For instance, counselors in one department might vary in their beliefs about students accessing counseling services. One counselor may believe that students must have initiative to seek support, and another might believe that the counselor should actively seek out students. There are many resources to guide your discussion of school counselor beliefs. ASCA has sample belief statements on their website and in their ASCA National Model resource books. It may be helpful to read through the example beliefs as a conversation starter. The school counselors' agreed upon beliefs drive their vision for students. To create a vision statement, make a list of words or phrases that describe what you hope your students will be in 5 to 15 years. Be descriptive, confident, and optimistic. You will also want to look at your school and district vision statements and identify key words or phrases that align with your school counselor's beliefs. Once you have a list of key words, you can craft a vision statement that describes your students in the future. The vision statement should describe a future world where student outcomes are successfully achieved, outline a rich and textual picture of success, and state the best possible student outcomes that are 5 to 15 years away. The vision statement focuses on students and uses the present tense as if the student outcomes have happened. Here are some examples of vision statements from our own district. You can see that each of these statements focuses on the future, shares positive outcome for students, and uses descriptive language. Now that you have created a vision of the outcomes for your students after participating in the comprehensive school counseling program in your school, it is time to craft the mission statement. The mission statement describes what the school counseling program does. It defines how your program reaches the long-range results of your vision. The mission should clearly link the school counseling program with the learning environment and school's mission. To begin, make a list of key words that describe the most important work of your program. Think about broad terms and not simply a list of duties. Do you advocate? Are you proactive? Next, look at your school mission statement and identify key words that highlight the school's philosophy. Examples might include world-class, lifelong learners, or culture of excellence. Finally, consider how your program focuses its work on equity, access, and success for all students. Once you have your list of keywords and have highlighted your work in equity and access for all students, you are ready to craft your mission statement. Use dynamic, active language and focus on the program as a whole. Here are some example mission statements from our district. You can see how each includes unique language related to the philosophy of their school and uses dynamic language to show the action of the school counseling program. You have now created the foundation on which your program is built. As you move through the school year, you can check back at any time to make sure that your work is aligning with the beliefs of your counselors, your vision for the future of the students in your school, and your mission for your program. Thanks for joining us today. Please let me know if you have any questions.